Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Flow Hub with Emma and Jake. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. How are you today, Emma?
I'm great, thanks. And hello to all our listeners. We're so happy you're here.
Today we have a really useful topic for you. We're going to talk about weekend plans.
Yes, this is something you do all the time. Every Friday, people ask, "What are you doing this weekend?"
Exactly. And today you're going to learn how to answer that question in English. We'll teach you simple phrases you can use right away.
Before we start, please give us a like if you're enjoying this podcast and subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson.
Okay, let's begin.
So, Jake, what are you doing this weekend?
Good question. I'm going to visit my friend. What about you?
I'm staying home. I'm going to watch movies and relax.
Nice. Did you hear that, everyone? We just used some really important phrases. Let's look at them carefully.
The first phrase is, "What are you doing this weekend?" This is the most common question. Listen again. What are you doing this weekend?
Let's say it together. Repeat after me. What are you doing this weekend?
Good job. Now, how do you answer? You can say, "I'm going to," and then add your plan.
For example, I'm going to visit my friend. Or, I'm going to go shopping.
Let's practice. Repeat. I'm going to visit my friend.
Perfect. Another way to answer is, I'm staying home. This means you're not going anywhere. You're at home all weekend.
Repeat. I'm staying home.
Now let's learn some common things people do on the weekend.
First, go shopping. This means you visit stores to buy things. I'm going to go shopping on Saturday.
Repeat. I'm going to go shopping.
Next, meet friends. This is when you spend time with your friends. I'm going to meet friends for coffee.
Say it with me. I'm going to meet friends.
Another one, watch movies. Very simple. I'm going to watch movies at home.
Repeat. I'm going to watch movies.
Here's a good one. Go to the park. Maybe you want fresh air and exercise. I'm going to go to the park.
Try it. I'm going to go to the park.
And one more, clean my house or clean my apartment. Not exciting, but very real. I'm going to clean my house.
Repeat. I'm going to clean my house.
You're doing great.
Now let's hear a real conversation. Listen carefully.
Ready? Here we go.
Hey, Emma, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to visit my parents on Saturday. What about you?
I'm staying home on Saturday, but on Sunday, I'm going to the park with my dog.
That sounds nice.
Did you catch that? Let's listen again.
Hey, Jake, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to visit my parents on Saturday. What about you?
I'm staying home on Saturday, but on Sunday I'm going to the park with my dog.
That sounds nice.
Perfect. Did you notice we said on Saturday and on Sunday? We use on with days.
On Saturday, on Sunday, on Friday, this is very important.
Repeat after me. On Saturday.
On Sunday.
Excellent.
Let's learn a few more helpful phrases. Sometimes you don't have plans. You can say, I don't have plans yet,
Repeat. I don't have plans yet.
or maybe you don't know your plans. You can say, I'm not sure yet.
Try it. I'm not sure yet.
And here's a friendly question. What about you? This means, and you. What are your plans?
Repeat. What about you?
Great. At the end of the conversation, you can say, that sounds nice. Or, that sounds fun.
This shows you're interested. Repeat. That sounds nice.
That sounds fun.
You're improving already.
Okay, let's recap. What did we learn today?
We learned how to ask, what are you doing this weekend?
And we learned how to answer, I'm going to, plus your activity.
We also learned common activities like go shopping, meet friends, watch movies, go to the park, and clean my house.
Remember to use on with days, on Saturday, on Sunday, on Friday.
And if you don't have plans, you can say, I don't have plans yet, or I'm not sure yet.
That's a lot of useful English. Good job, everyone.
Now we have a fun question for you. Are you ready?
Here it is. What are you doing this weekend?
Yes. Tell us in the comments. Are you going to meet friends? Stay home, go somewhere special.
We really want to know. And it's great practice for you to write in English.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Listen to this episode again tomorrow. Repeat the phrases out loud. You'll feel more confident every time.
Thank you so much for listening today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.